Okay, so what have we been up to in the last 9 days? Well, I've added being able to load OBJ models and textures. This is done not with a simp yet, which is what I shall finish up using, but this is with my own little model loader that I did from a tutorial on Udemy, which basically is a very basic loader. Does the bare minimum that it needs to do to load an OBJ file. The code at the moment is still so messy that I'm not going to upload this time round, because I've got to do some refactoring to try to make some of this stuff a little bit more readable, professional. Not that I shall ever be professional. At the moment it comes into here in the main forum, and we simply set the number of models we're going to load. Eventually, obviously, I would like to do this so as each model can be loaded from an open dialog box, which then increments the number that there is there, added to some form of vertex or array or linked list, however the best way of doing these things are. I've also added a light to the project, and this is where I set the positions of the things that I've loaded. That then comes down into not here at all. We go down a while. This is all to do with the lighting that I've set up. This just slides the sphere. There's a sphere which is the light, and that just slides it backwards and forwards across the floor, so you can see what's what with it. This is more of the light setup to get the positions and the thing for the light. This is how I draw the OBJs on screen. As you can see, I was doing them individually, but I sorted out how you do it with a simple for loop and draw all 5 of them in one go. This is the light. Yeah, let's click the green button and see what it looks like. It's doing what it's supposed to do. A few problems, as always, lots of errors. The first problem is it won't show the light on the cubes. These original cubes, the light doesn't affect. I take the map thing away from it. So these are the OBJs loaded with my little OBJ loader, including the floor. We can change the light color on the go, so we can add a bit of or a lot if we want to. We can make it very dark, we can make it very light. Yeah, it's all doing what the tutorials say it should do. Like I say, I've got the problem that it's not affecting these original cubes. I've also been tinkering with the skybox, so now I can select different types of sky. They don't match in with the they don't. I think that's something that is going to require an awful lot of work at some point, because the only one that sort of does marry into the thing is this really dark scene, because obviously it matches in with its surrounding. But anyhow, that's not really something I've got so much stuff at the moment that needs sorting out. That's all a little bit irrelevant. So yeah, I'm not going to upload this code purely from the point of view that it is in such a mess. I've got to refactor some of it. I've got to try to get me head round why these cubes aren't being affected by the light. This is phong lighting, apparently, according to the tutorial. I've got to try to get my head around whether we can have like a global lighting thing and then add, so you could have like a background light to it. But this has been really, I mean, it's taken me 9 days to do this, so that's 9 long days. The errors aren't quite so many nowadays, so the fun level certainly hadn't dropped. I mean, when you click the green button and this happens, I mean, it really is so enjoyable, it's unbelievable. I didn't realise I was going to get quite as much fun out of this as I did, but there you go, I have. Once I've cleaned the code up, I'll make another little video and I'll upload the code with it. Thanks for watching if you did.